So in this video, I wanted to take a quick look at the new Pentel EnerGel Permanent Gel Ink pen. And that's this right here. This is the standard EnerGel that many of you know and love, but it uses a permanent gel ink. This will be useful for signing a check or a contract or some other thing where you want to make sure that the ink is not washed away. It's not something I've had a lot of experience with, but I saw the pen when it came out, so I figured I'd give it a shot because I do like the EnerGel line. Here I have a standard EnerGel. I think this might be called the EnerGel X, but to me it's just a normal EnerGel retractable. And compared to the permanent, they're very similar. The EnerGel X uses that clear translucent tip. Here we have the metallic or the metal looking one. I think it's still plastic. I think it's just like coated to look metal. Same grip. The permanent has that little band here, but again, same plastic body, same diameter there. The EnerGel X has a plastic clip, but it's actually a very good clip. I like it a lot. The permanent moves to a clip that looks a lot like the clip on a 207 or 307 from Uniball, although they're not hollow, but anyway, it's that sort of general shape. It's metal, works well. It's a little bit sharp under here, which is common. I actually find it to be a little bit annoying, but it works well. Same distinctive, I don't know what those are, it's little kind of chevron type things on the back. They're not indented the way they are on the X, but they are there, if you could see them without the glare. And then you have that same button design. It's just a very wide button, which I know I've come to associate with the EnerGel line. Click, fairly similar. This one opens at the top. This one, I believe because of this different design here, does not open at the top. Opens here, kind of like the Euro EnerGel. And that is the one that uses a needle point, or needle tip rather. The cartridge looks very similar. And I don't even know, 07, what's that, LRP7? It says 2017 on here, so maybe it's not that new. It's definitely new to me though. Opening this one up. Very old. LR7 though. So same refill size. They should be interchangeable with the different Pentel EnerGels. As for the price, this one goes for about $2.65, and it's available in a 0.5 and a 0.7 millimeter. I opted for the 0.7 millimeter. The standard Euro needle point goes for like $2.50, and then this EnerGel X goes for like maybe like $1.80, $2. So in the same ballpark, but you are paying a premium for the different design as well as the permanent ink. So do a quick writing test, and this is the Pentel EnerGel Permanent and a 0.7 millimeter. Here you have the standard Pentel EnerGel X. So right off the bat, we can see that the EnerGel X has a bit more of a deeper blue, a little bit more vibrant. They write the same, but the permanent one looks a little bit washed out to me. And I do like the blue on the EnerGel, so that's a bit disappointment. A little bit more of a gray tone here. Just for kicks, I have this Pentel EnerGel 3. We'll do a quick test on this. Have a video upcoming on this one. So this is the, just for reference, the needle point though. And I believe this is a 0.7 millimeter as well. Color's more like with the permanent, at least to my eye. I wasn't quite sure how to test the permanence. I've never washed out a check or anything like that. So I figured I would just get a little bit of water and give it a quick test here. So limited smearing from the permanent, and when it is smearing, it's literally the paper being pushed away, paper degrading. On these two, you can see sort of ink pooling here. So yeah, you can see the ink, the water is clearly turning blue here, so some of the ink is coming away with it. Same here. And the water's coming away with some ink. When I do that with the permanent one, less blue in the water tells me there's more staying on the paper. So while I can't really quantify how much more permanent this ink is, it does seem like it's more permanent. So I trust Pentel. So if you are looking for a solution that is more permanent than a standard EnerGel or the EnerGel RTX, that's what I was thinking of. This uses the same design as the RTX gel pen, although that is a needlepoint, so maybe not. Anyway, it looks like an RTX. So yeah, EnerGel permanent. I wouldn't say this is the right one for day-to-day writing, but it is a fun new addition to the EnerGel line. If you're looking for day-to-day writing, my favorite EnerGel is still the standard, the EnerGel X. I really think they nailed it with this one, especially in the 1.0 millimeter. So thanks for watching.